Hi, I'm just going to take you through how to use a Juey winding wand. You can see there's a hole in the wand, and we also use something to poke the yarn through with. That's just a pencil, or I use a crochet hook sometimes. So get all your individual yarns together. You usually have a pile of them. Let's find the beginnings. So we're going to sort of match them all up in line. So we can see all the different thicknesses and colours. So I think we've got 3 now. This is 4th. These are a variety of DKs, chunky. I think it's a 4-ply. So I started all this off by just using 4-plies because I had absolutely hundreds of them. And I just hadn't got the patience to knit them all on their own. So this is how it all started. I used to think, how can I get them all to go together so I can make a thicker yarn? So now we've got all the yarns together, we're going to push them through the hole of the winding wand. And that's when I use my little pencil, or a crochet hook is sometimes better because you can get a hold of it easier. But luckily I've got long nails so I can pull it through. But you'll see eventually you'll get them through. Like, there's a few stragglers there, so I just push them through again. And there we have it. Now what happens now is, so get all the tails to the same length, and you can see through the hole. If there's any light, you can see as you hold it up. You can add some more yarns in. But what I also gauge as well is if it's got a slight tension when you pull it. You can see I'm pulling it through and through. Right, we've now got them all through. So we want to twist it round, wrap it round twice, and then we're going to go slightly diagonally. So I usually go 2, turn, wrap 2 on the diagonal, turn, wrap 2 on the diagonal, turn. And you continue to do this, and you sort of get an egg shape coming. You'll find it lays down a lot easier as well. But I tend to do 2, keep it quite tight. Not overly tight, but, you know, just nicely so it'll sit there. And you continue to do this till your little egg shape gets bigger and bigger. Don't worry, you won't come off the end of the wand because it gets wider rather than longer. If you see what I mean, you'll see it as it starts to take shape. Now we're coming to the best bit. So you get to the end of your yarns, or you cut them off, and you tuck them under. And now you're going to pull out the winding wand from the bottom of your egg. Give it a twist, pull it out, and you'll see you've got the yarn there that you started with, what you pushed through the hole. This has now become your centre pull. So you start knitting from the centre, and it'll all come out nicely without running around the floor.